That is the power tower someone who came over gave me for free. What I'm going to do is I'm going to disassemble that, take it down into pieces, sand it, vacuum it, and then give that a paint job. And then all these things can start moving out. There is a traffic jam. It's very rusted shut, so I had to use a cool little fix-it tool that my brother taught me. I've got a metal rod. It's actually a metal rod from this mechanism, and attached it onto the end of the wrench so that I could lever it. That's the only way I got this thing apart. This is the most annoying part of the job, is like I finally disassemble it. By the time I've gone through that agony and torture and it's finally in pieces, I've like had enough. I've had it up to here. And I don't want to sand it or paint it or anything. Or I sand it, I vacuum it, I get it all prepped, and I'm like, I'm done. Now I degreased it with a product called Too Easy. That's from XO2 in Burley Heads. A very strong degreaser. It can actually pick up blood off the pavement. So it is incredibly strong, and you have to pick that up. So once you spray that on and you wipe it off, it's not quite good enough. You actually need to do that, and then you need to put like a general cleaner on top of that, and then wipe it again to make sure you pick the Too Easy up off the gym equipment. Otherwise it'll just erode. No more metal. I'll just come back here and it'll be poof, gone. Now I need to sand it, vacuum it, probably need to prime it. I've primed most of the power tower. This stuff's like the cheapest stuff ever. Does the job. Oh my goodness, there's no bolts in it right now, it's just sitting there. It's just holding itself up. Only reason it looks this good is because I ran out of black paint. I was going to make it all black. I went to go get more 2K clear coat. I have this one in stock now. They got rid of the last one, but we're going to find out today if it really is any better. This one is Concept Paints Super Gloss Clear. 2K technology, high gloss, UV resistant, excellent adhesion. I'm actually quite surprised how little that stuff smells and how much coverage we got, like how little you had to use, how thick it looks, and how much it doesn't smell like the other one. But if it starts scratching stuff up, well then no cigar. I mean, you shouldn't have one cigar anyway. Everything should be no cigar. It's 9th of August. No, that's not right. It's the 6th of September. I've put the clear coat on. Still seems to be scratching up, so I don't know about this clear coat. 2 seconds ago, I had the mallet in my hand, and then all of a sudden, poof, didn't have the mallet in my hand, and has this. It's nowhere. It's literally nowhere. Alright, so finally finished power tower. I reckon it looks really good. Some of the paint keeps coming off. I've already done everything you're supposed to do with steel. I mean, if you dragged anything across the concrete, it would scratch. Well, this one's been sold for 140, and you know, they come in here to have a look at it, so if they don't like it, they don't have to take it.